What is up, chat? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And today we're going to get into another XG video. I ain't gonna lie, just listened to some shit by them, and I was definitely blown away, so I'm going to keep listening. I'm going to see what they hitting for. Let's see. So the first one I listened to was Million Places. Let's see this next one. This next one is called In the Rain. I really like their sound. Like, I like how their R&B.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, but my dude still running in, goodbye, goodbye, so you never been like that, like that, yeah I know it's a shame, what a pity, you got nobody to blame but your baby, night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold, can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side, so let it rain, what else can I do?
I like the choreography of them dancing in the rain. I like that. Or dancing on the wet floor.
In the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye, goodbye. And you know I won't look back, look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Poured down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to.
Yeah, this one's hard too, I ain't gonna lie. I like the other one better, but this one, I like the video obviously better. The other one was like a vlog style. This is more like a production.
Oh, can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me. In the rain, 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 in the rain. Stop, baby, let me soak and scrub wash you off in the rain.
Yeah, this one's tough. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Don't hate me. But they're better than Blackpink. You feel me? But it's also two different lanes. You know, Blackpink is more like K or like K hip hop, I would say, and this is more like, I don't know what it's called, like Japanese R&B pop, or that, yeah, like hip hop pop is, that's what K. My bad, I'm stumbling. But that's what Blackpink is more of, like pop hip hop, and then this is more like pop R&B. So I definitely fuck with this one a lot more. Like I could see myself listening to this. Yeah, I could see myself listening to definitely the other one. Like, I'm telling you, I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add, I think it was Misunderstood, to my playlist. You know, they got a fan out of me. But tell me in the comments, like, what are their names individually in the group? Do any of them make solo music? Because I'm gonna keep checking them out. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I drop reaction videos and stuff. But thanks for coming to my channel.